Hi, this is Musa. It's been an incredible journey on Idols. It's brought me this far, and with your support and love and everything, I've learned to stay humble and enjoy the stage and enjoy music more. So thank you for your support and thank you for your love. Nice one.
Hi, my name is Brenden. I'm in the top 3 of Idols SA. I chose the songs I chose today, the Miguel one, because Miguel is one of my favorite artists. To all the fans, I'd just like to say thank you for bringing me here. You guys are the reason I am here and I get to live my dream every week. And I hope that we continue strong. And yeah, who knows, the sky's the limit. Thank you so much, Team Brenden.
Hi, this is Sonke, your Sonke. Man, I don't know what to say, man. I'm just overwhelmed by the love I've been getting, the response I've been getting. Everything is there. Oh, man. I don't know. It's what to give me. Yeah, boy. I'm just having a great evening for my performance. I've been doing it for myself and for my fans, of course. I just want to thank you to all the supporters, to all the fans, friends and family. I take my fans as my friends, so you all my friends and all my family. I wouldn't have been here if it wasn't you. So thank you so much and may God bless you very much.